Hello and welcome. I'm Neerja, an Ayurveda practitioner, yoga therapist, and human values educator. Today, I would love to invite you into the heart of Ayurvedic healing, your kitchen. In Ayurveda, we say that your kitchen is your pharmacy and your spices are your first medicine. These everyday ingredients, often sitting in your spice rack, hold powerful qualities that can help you restore balance, improve digestion, and gently detox the body right at home and right before anything reaches up to the disease level, much before that. So, why spices matter in Ayurveda? One of the key principles in Ayurveda is called agni, or your digestive fire. When agni is strong, we digest food properly, absorb nutrients, and eliminate waste. But when agni is weak, it leads to the buildup of ama, or undigested material that becomes toxic to the body. Spices help kindle the digestive fire, break down ama, and support natural flow of energy through the body. They also help balance the doshas, vata, pitta, and kapha. Each spice carries its own unique qualities that can either calm or stimulate, reduce or dry or nourish, cool or warm the system. And unlike many modern supplements, spices are easy and safer to use, readily available and completely natural. Let's look at and talk about 7 everyday Ayurvedic spices and how to use them. Remember, I'm just introducing them. There is a lot more that could be possible potentially. So let's go through these 7 key Ayurvedic spices you can begin using today. Number 1 is cumin. Cumin stimulates digestion, reduces gas and bloating, and helps eliminate toxins. It is especially helpful for vata and kapha types. So you can try dry roasting cumin seeds and adding them to vegetables, lentils, or soups. Number 2 is coriander. Coriander is cooling, mildly detoxifying, and supports urinary and liver function. It's gentle enough for pitta and safe in warmer seasons. So you can make coriander tea or add ground coriander to your curry base, or just sprinkle coriander leaves on your curry. Number 3 is fennel. Fennel is sweet, cooling, and incredibly soothing to the digestive system. It reduces gas, calms the mind, and is suitable for all doshas. So you can sip fennel tea after meals or chew fennel seeds to freshen breath and support digestion. Number 4 is ginger. Ginger is warming, stimulating, and one of the best spices to remove ama. It is ideal for vata and kapha, but should be used moderately by pitta types. Add fresh ginger to your soups, teas, or even warm water in the morning. Number 5 is turmeric. And turmeric is known for its anti-inflammatory and cleansing properties. It supports the liver, purifies the blood, and boosts immunity. Add it to curries, rice, or make turmeric milk with a pinch of black pepper if you want. Number 6 is black pepper. Black pepper enhances digestion and improves nutrient absorption. It also makes turmeric more bioavailable. So you can use black pepper freshly ground as a finishing spice or in teas. Number 7 that I'm talking today about is fenugreek. Fenugreek is bitter and heating. It balances blood sugar, supports elimination, and reduces mucus. You can use it in small amounts when cooking dals or stews, especially in cooler months. These spices are often used in combination that are greater than the sum of their parts. So let me share a simple Ayurvedic spice mix you can make at home to support digestion and gentle detox. You can start with 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon coriander seeds, and 1 tablespoon fennel seeds, and a pinch of turmeric and a pinch of black pepper if you want. You can dry roast these seeds if you like. That will mean that it will have a bit longer shelf life, and grind them to a powder if you like and store in a jar. Otherwise, just mix all these things together, and you can take about half teaspoon of this mix to a cup of hot water and sip it between meals or add it to your cooking if you want. This blend is Tridoshi, meaning that it supports all body types and it gently clears ama without stressing the system. Now, also let me give you a few tips when cooking with spices. So number 1 is cook spices in oil or ghee to activate their properties before adding other ingredients. We call it making as a tadka. Number 2 is always cook spices gently because burnt spices can irritate the gut. Number 3 is pay attention to how your body feels after eating. Your digestion is your best guide. Number 4 is use seasonally warming spices in winter and cooling ones in summer. And number 6 is less is more. Ayurveda favors subtle, balanced use over intensity. Cook with awareness, and it's a form of self-care. It transforms food into true nourishment. If you are feeling heavy, bloated, tired, or foggy, spices can be your first line of support. But sometimes the body needs a deeper reset. So you can also think of a guided Ayurvedic detox that can be powerful. And we do offer a 2-week home-based detox. You can book an appointment and we will guide you through a 2-week detox at home. If this speaks to you, I invite you to explore or talk to us. The beauty of Ayurveda is that it transforms the ordinary into something sacred. Even a pinch of spice becomes a tool for healing. Your kitchen doesn't have to be complicated or exotic. With just a few everyday spices, thoughtfully chosen and used with intention, you can support digestion, reduce toxins, and nourish your entire system. Spices are small, but their effect is powerful. And when used consistently, they not only flavor your food, they support your clarity, energy, and inner balance. So next time you reach for cumin, ginger, or fennel, or black pepper, or cinnamon, you are not just cooking, you are caring for your body, your mind, and your well-being. Remember, healing begins in your home, and your spice rack is one of your most simple yet powerful tools. Start by choosing one spice and exploring how it feels in your body. Sip a cup of cumin, coriander, and fennel tea. Add turmeric for your lunch. Observe what shifts. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this inspires you to bring Ayurveda into your kitchen, one mindful moment at a time.